Good evening, everyone. Allison Rauch with Greer CPW here to provide you an update on the restoration progress for our crews. As of this update, we have restored more than 20,190 of our customers, with more coming online. Sunday afternoon, our dedicated teams focused on several key areas, including Highway 101 at Interstate 85, Mount Vernon Road, Pilcher Hamilton Business Park, and Hammett Bridge Road. Our priority remains to restore as many customers as possible with our work. Today, we successfully restored power to the following subdivisions: the Reserve at Rich Glen, Adley Trace, Ashland Woods, Bent Creek, Branchwood, Dillard Creek Crossing, the Estates at Dillard Creek, LeJardin, and Nicole Place. Next, we'll be working on Hammett Grove, Poplar Drive Extension, Victor Mill, and we will continue our work at Mount Vernon and Westmoreland and Abner Creek. As we continue these efforts, we do want to remind customers and their children, please do not walk around our equipment. That includes all four of our utilities: water, wastewater, electric, and natural gas. And always assume that any down power lines are energized. This is really important for your safety as we are getting more and more customers up. And if you're just tuning into this video, I did mention that we have, as of this video, 20,190 of our customers restored. Our commitment remains to restoring as many customers as possible, and we have more than 65 line workers, contractors, engineers, GIS, locators, and CPW staff, as well as mutual aid from both Missouri and Ohio helping us in this effort. We really want to thank you for your patience and your support. We will provide more updates on our restoration progress as soon as we have them. Hope that you all have a good evening, and we'll talk soon.